what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Justin coming back with another video for you guys here today. And yeah, so anyways, in today's video, guys, see GTA 5 for the PS3. See, there's some dirty shit all over it and scratches. Well, I'm going to basically be showing you guys how to fix it. Alright? So yeah, now I'll be showing you guys how to fix it. See, PS3. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys a way how to fix it without, like, this is not fake, guys. I swear to God, alright? This is legit, not fake, real. Don't mind the fucking fruit flies in the bowl. Anyways, yeah, fuck it. So anyways, this is legit, guys. This is a legit way. Make sure you have warm water. Make sure you have a fucking sink, first of all. Then, make sure your tap's fucking work. And if it does, all you gotta do is fucking put on a bit, just make it warm, like a little, just make it hot, but not too hot. Alright, see? So yeah, make it hot, but not too hot, alright? So, I'm gonna turn that on, see? Yeah, see, that's perfect, see? Like that. Rub it in a bit. Sorry guys, I'm using my phone, see? I'm turning it. Just want to keep doing that, rub all the shit all off it. And the reason why you guys don't want this, that's working perfectly. Try not to get this part wet. It'll work still, but just in case, you never know, right? But yeah, once you keep rubbing it, on the ring. And once that's all done, don't use toothpaste, guys. Sorry. Because if you do, that's going to fuck it all up. Just do that. Toilet paper. So I just need some toilet paper, guys. Alright, let me get some toilet paper. I'll be right back. And I'm back, guys. So yeah, see, I'm on the Xbox 360 right now. But, not to worry, there's Black Ops 2, gotta have it. But not to worry. There's my jailbreak PS3. And for those of you guys who don't know what it is, it's basically just a modded a modded PS3 that you can, like, mod on and shit, like have mod menus and shit. Well, that's my jailbreak PS3 right there. It's not hooked up right now. And then this is just my brother's PS3 that he gave to me, and it's a normal one that I just use for Netflix. For Netflix and YouTube. This I use but my Xbox 360 there, I use for games. And YouTube and Netflix, and then that I just use for games. I hook each one of them up almost every day. So anyways, add me up on Xbox. I'll leave a link down in the description what it is. There's my character, Freefall2343. And yeah, these are my friends. So yeah. So anyways, I'm back. So anyways, see how it's all wet, guys? See? What you guys want to do? Toilet paper. Oh, sorry. Take some sexy ass fucking toilet paper. Or whatever, toilet paper. And what you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to take the disc, right? And just, just kind of rub it softly like that, right? Be careful with it, though. Try not to touch it once you put water on it. Don't try not to touch it, alright? And just spin it around like that. Once that's done, clean that off because I know that's wet. Or else it probably will work. It's not fake, it works 100%. I'm not using that today. I'll be using that. But that'll be in my next video. I've shown you guys that this works. Only because, I'm not hooking that up right now. I got my Xbox hooked up. I'll post it later though, alright? Alright, peace. By the way, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you drop a fat fucking like. Alright, peace.